Hadouken. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Everyone fast forwards past this part anyway. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Look, it's some social media stuff that I don't use except for Twitter because it's the only good one. And then you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this that rarely happen nowadays because I got other stuff going on. But hey, whatever. No one cares. Hello, pals. We are opening a beater box from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. You cannot buy these boxes because it's bought through a closed membership only program type thing, but you get to watch good people and then there's me do the boxes on YouTube. So hey, whatever. This box cost $850 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $900, right?
Yeah.
Yep, cool. Hey, clearance is gonna come down right about now. Follow along with that. It'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth based on size, condition, and things like if it has a box, or if it smells like weed, or if I can clean them up. And then we'll break it down at the end of the video so you can see how much it's projected to make versus how much I actually paid, because that's the only reason people watch these videos. Hey, let's open the box and see what's going on in here. You wanna see the last box we did? It's right here. It was very good. It was also like 3 or 4 weeks ago, so I don't even remember if it's the actual box that we got, but yeah. I don't do these videos as much anymore because I have started doing dog walking. No need to do these videos because the market sucks, first of all, and also I'm just having a really good time walking dogs. First impressions of the box, there are 2 loose pairs. One of them is a Jordan. I will grab it. It's a pair that I've had 5 billion times. This is the 2017 version of an Air Jordan 13 in the Altitude colorway. It's a size 12.5. Ugh. Don't see that very often. These are actually in super good shape. I don't know if you can see, but there's like hardly any toe box creasing right there. The outsoles have very little wear, just some stuff that need to be cleaned up, so that's not too bad. There is a full jump man on the insole, which due to my light situation, you will not be able to see. But these are in really great shape. Of all the worn Altitude 13s that I've gotten, oof, these are probably in the best shape of all of them. We'll see what the market is like on these, but I would imagine it's probably okay because it's a really simple colorway and people seem to like Jordan 13s. So size 12.5 Jordan 13 without a box, Altitudes. That's your first shoe out. Hey, if you wanna buy those or any of the other shoes in this box, go to my website today at 6:30 p.m. Oh no, wait, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. They will be available for sale unless they sell on Goat first. Next up, we have a size US men's 13. This is a silhouette model you do not see very often. They are worn. This is an Air Max up tempo, I think. It's like a Volt black kind of colorway. It looks almost exactly like the same kind of colorway as the Altitude 13s. Full swoosh, full Nike Air, and the size sticker is in here. So this is actually the recent release that came out a couple of years ago, I think. Outsole's in good shape. Not really much wear, not really much discoloration, just needs to be clean just like the last ones, probably from the same seller. Interesting 90s basketball silhouette that probably has some kind of draw right now, especially in a size 13. There you go. No box, size 13 Air Max up tempo. This is a size US men's 10 Nike Moonracer Quick Strike. Colorway says Mountain Blue Team Orange. Well, it looks to be a dead stock pair, I think. Yeah. There you go. Whatever this is. I think this is like one of the like OG type Nike running shoes, excuse me, that they like retroed recently. I mean, because they brought back like the waffle and stuff like that, so it's kind of like the thing they're doing now. It's kind of a cool silhouette. It's probably a decent running shoe, I would imagine. I don't know what the tech is like on it, but it's got a very similar sole to like those percent whatever things they're called. Cool colorway, unworn condition in a size 10. It's got like moon on the insole. It's like crater-esque looking type thing. And there is what appears to be a dust bag in here too. So there you go, size 10 dead stock pair, Moonracer Quick Strike. Blazer mid 77 vintage in a men's US 9, US men's 9. Sorry, it's early. So these are worn, but yeesh, very, very lightly. It's, what's the colorway say? Habanero. So it's the Habanero Blazer 77 vintage. Blazers have made a huge comeback in terms of like fashion and like people wearing them like with fits or whatever, stuff that I don't understand or know how to do. So it's a really cool colorway. It's a really simple shoe. A lot of people wear this. This is like becoming the new Air Force One Panda Dunk type thing where a lot of people wear them. There's just a little bit of dirt on the heel here, But overall, the outsole is in really great shape. There's a couple stones. The shoe itself there's hardly any wear. Like this person may have worn them once or twice and just decided, I don't want them anymore, so that's kind of weird. Probably not much value, but still a really cool shoe that if you're into putting together outfits, probably goes with a lot of stuff. Size 9. Habanero red, Blazer 77 mid-vintage. Probably said those words in the wrong order, but whatever. Looks like there's another Blazer in here too. Blazer mid 77 vintage in a size US men's 9.5. So this one, the colorway says lucid green. I can't really say much more about these because it's the same thing in a half size bigger with a different color swoosh and different color accents. Same condition, same everything, so probably not much value again, but still, like I said, if you are good at putting together outfits, this might work for you. Size 9.5. Kind of waiting to find out why this box is $850. Nike Air Tailwind 79 in a US men's 9.5. Well, they're dead stock, so that's good. The colorway on the box says pumice, white, black, team orange. Pumice is a very bad word for a color, I will say that. It just reminds me of those stones that people use on their feet in the shower. But it's a dead stock pair. It's a size 9.5. Again, just a simple silhouette, simple colorway. I don't really know what to say about these. Tailwinds are kind of comfortable from what I understand. I know a lot of frat bros like this kind of shoe, so can't complain about that. Size 9.5. I'm not saying that word again, but it's a Tailwind 79. 3 more in here, and I'm kind of nervous because I don't understand why this box is $850 yet. Air Zoom Flight the Glove Quick Strike in a size US men's 10. Not the first time I've gotten these. So they are worn. This is the Gary Payton model, the glove. It has this like sheath thing over it, which I will take apart right now with a zipper because it works. These are the Sole Collector Air Zoom Flight the Glove. So it's got this like crazy like under thing going on with it. Another 90s basketball shoe that just probably has some kind of draw. I don't know if it's gonna be very much of a draw in a size US men's 10, but still just a cool classic colorway that, you know, a lot of people still have love for the Seattle Supersonics, even though they're not around anymore and they should still be around. Don't take what I say with any grain of salt because I know nothing about basketball, but there are people out there that are gonna want this, so I can't complain about this. Size 10, Air Zoom Flight the Glove in the Sole Collector colorway. So I don't know. This is a size US men's 14 Air Jordan 13 Retro. Looks like a recent release, and I can tell what it is based on the color of the Jumpman on the box. So this is a very lightly worn pair. Full Jumpman on the insole still. This is the Court Purple Air Jordan 13. Yeah, these came out like last year or maybe even earlier this year. I think last year actually, but there's still the covering on the hologram there. You can see the outsole is in really, really great shape. There's hardly any wear, just some like dirt. So this is another pair that looks like someone wore once or twice and then decided they don't want them anymore. Can't complain, really solid condition. Probably pretty decent value in here because it's a size 14 and anything above like size 11 in a Jordan 13 is probably gonna be worth more money than anything else. So there you go, size 14, very lightly used Court Purple, Jordan 13. And your last shoe out is, extremely recognizable based on the box. The box is in really great shape. This is a size 12 Air Jordan 11 Retro. As you can tell from the box, this is the 2011 release of the Concords. Condition pending. It's got this thing, which is in good shape. Well, that's cool. So this is a dead stock pair. Concord 11s from 2011. This shoe caused quite a scene when it released in 2011. If y'all remember, that was in my very, very early days of sneaker stuff. But dead stock pair, never worn. It's even got the little thing in here still factory lace. The only thing is because of the age, it does have some outsole discoloration, which is gonna happen with a shoe that's 11 years old. But again, this could go either way because these just retroed in 2018. But a lot of people prefer this lower patent leather cut, which is, you know, justifiable. This might actually make the box worth it. I don't know what this thing is, I don't know what this size and this condition is going for.
Not great, Bob.
But if I were to guess, this probably covers about half or even a little bit more than half of the box. So I don't know, we'll have to see later, but this is the last shoe out. It's a size 12. 2011 release of the Air Jordan 11 Concords in dead stock condition. And that concludes this $850 Sole Supremacy beater box. Gotta be honest with you, I don't really know where the value is, but it all depends on how these Concords are. But let's see what the numbers say right now. Obviously I check the numbers and stuff after I record these videos, but looking at it right now, this might not be a good box. I can't really, like, my gut feeling on it is it's just not a great box because I think it's gonna be really hard to move. I just wish there was stuff in here that wasn't like readily available at outlets, it seems like, so. I don't know. Hey, if you're interested in buying any of these, they will be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. Keep in mind too that all the worn pairs will be cleaned and disinfected before posting, so you can rest assured knowing that these aren't gonna be gross when you get them. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video because you could be doing so many other good and productive things with that time. So until next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, and thanks again. Bye!